Sometimes it happens that the transaction you need for a match has already been reconciled. I'm going to show you how to search for these transactions from the Manual Recon screen. I expect to be able to match this 500,000 Rand deposit, so I add it to the match section. There are two 500,000 Rand cashbook transactions here, but these aren't the ones I want, and I think it has already been matched. I will use the Search All Transactions box to find this missing transaction. I can search on an amount range, a date range, specify a reference, and this reference will search all reference fields on the site selected. There is a default range applied to amount and date, and it can be changed by clicking on the configure link. There are options for date and amount, and it is applied to this account. Bank Recon suggests the search values based on the transaction selected. It looks at the date, the amounts and match balance, and their signs. I'm happy with these default options, so I'm not going to edit them, but all fields can be changed or left blank. Click Search, and my cashbook transaction screen is loaded. My search terms are shown, so I know what I'm looking for, and if I now want to search for something else, I can use the filters. 3 transactions have been returned, one of which is reconciled, and of course this is the one I want. I select it for easy identification, click on the Recon ID, remove the reconciliation, go back to my transaction screen, and it's now unreconciled. So I can click on the Match Selected button to load it directly into the Match section of the Manual Recon screen. The other transaction of my original match is back in my list. My cashbook transaction has been loaded. I can check that this is the match I want. And my match balance is 0, and I can complete this reconciliation.